Do you eat pork?
I just had some, man.
Did Jesus eat pork?
I don't know.
You don't know? You don't know?
You got to read the Bible.
So when you talk about halal repeatedly, you know Jesus ate halal. The dhabiha that makes meat halal is the way Jesus ate.
Jesus said nothing God makes is unclean.
Okay,
I read that in the Bible.
Let me ask you something. Would you eat poison?
It's not poison.
Would you?
We already eat poison with all the high fructose corn
So
syrup.
again, now you're jumping for the question, right? Again, did Jesus eat pork?
I don't know. I didn't watch Jesus eat.
Go look it up. You can Google it. You
Jesus
can read
didn't
up
have to eat. He is God.
Did he live kosher? Jesus didn't
He
eat.
didn't have to eat.
He didn't eat.
So the last
Jesus
supper,
Maybe it's optional.
Okay,
He is
so
God.
how come you didn't know the hour? You got no answer. None of you guys. Did he know the hour? You see, nobody has an answer.
But what hour is
Did
your
he
call
know?
to prayer?
Did he know the hour?
What hour is your call to prayer?
Jump, because you have no answer. Have a good one.
Leviticus 11:7-8. Here's what it says. Parasites love pigs. Okay, and they carry numerous parasites. And study after study proves this. In fact, according to a CDC study, they said pork is the primary source of trichinosis infections in the entire world. It's also one of the top for tapeworms, according to the World Health Organization and CDC. It's one of the top sources of toxoplasmosis. And from a biblical standpoint, when you read Leviticus 11:7-8, here's what it says. And the pig, because it parts the hoof, and is cloven-footed, but does not chew the cud, it is unclean for you. You shall not eat any of their flesh, and you shall not touch their carcasses, for they are unclean. So there are so many reasons not to eat pork. Pork carries parasites. Pork has poor detox channels. The Bible, science supports this. There are a lot of reasons not to consume